All right, so this video is just to show you how to upload a zip file um, as a file test to Blackboard, right? And so first off, you need to know where the zip file is. Mine is right here, my downloads file, and it is still unzipped. That's essential. It needs to be an unzipped zip file. So we'll go into our browser. We'll go to um, our Blackboard page. And down here under course tools, we're going to go all the way down to the tests, surveys, and pools button, right? You're going to hit tests here, and you're going to hit import test, right? You'll go browse my computer. It's going to open up navigator here. We need to go from downloads, okay, and it is this zip file here, test export file, blah, 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 sample test. So I'm going to choose that, and we are going to go submit, and then you'll get this thing which looks scary. It says warning, but the thing that it's telling you is that it worked. So that's good. So we're going to hit OK, and you can see it is here on our list of tests, and it is marked as undeployed, not deployed, right? So go to the place you want to put the test. For this one, I'm just going to go into content because that will be the easiest way to do it. We'll put it in week 13 just so it's somewhere where my students won't be looking. I mean, I'm not going to make it available, but you know. Anyway, so we go into assessments. You click on test here, and then you just click the test you want, and you hit submit. And so you can change the description. Here you can change, let's see, whether or not they're going to see it, whether or not it opens in a new window, all of the stuff that you could change about a test if you had just made the test on your Blackboard. And so anyway, you hit submit, and the test will be right there. You'll have to make it available to your students, of course, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to confuse my students. I'll just go ahead and delete that now. I hope this was helpful.